three of you came into my life for a reason. You all carry the vibe of a very different season. Not mentioning this to you would feel like treason, but here we go, yeah. Check it out. All of you shine a different color from within. Red for the love you carry and the love you give. The sunshine reminds me of the yellow life you lived, and the groundedness of the green to survive. Thanks for the art that I tattooed on my arm. When life gets hard, it helps me carry on. The good vibes are part of my soul, and for that you can all thank God. Yeah. You're all creative in your own little ways, and love seeing all the things you make. So remember all the things I love about you, and all the credit you should take. But when time is gone and my life is through, I hope this song speaks to you. Hey. Fly, my three birds fly, take over the sky, don't cry. Just fly, birds fly, just go. Take the color of the Rastafarians and then spread those vibes all over, yeah. Always remember to use your voice to get all the things you deserve, and to speak kindness into the life even when you need to swerve, yeah. The road is never straight and narrow. Just remember this for today and tomorrow. When my time is gone and my life is through, I hope this song will sing to you. Hey. Fly, my three birds fly. Oh, don't cry, just fly, birds fly, just go. Take the passion of that red, gold, and green, and don't forget to live out your dreams. Just fly. Trust me when I say that every little thing is gonna be alright.